Hey team, in this overview video we're going over the Delfast Farmblazer 10 petrol compressor, listing all the different components and also some key recommendations when you're using it. So let's get into this. First of all, you will find fuel tank up the top, motor filter, exhaust, pump filter on this side over here. Of course we've got the pump, constant valve unloader, your pressure gauge, your female hose connection, your release valves or valve on this one here, your backup valve, on off switches, your pull start cord, fuel switch, choke, oil dipstick just here for the engine, and beside here you have the dipstick for the pump, two separate oils. And of course you've got your tank, which is the frame. When using this compressor, you want to follow these key recommendations. First recommendation, you'll want to be unloading the pressure release valves and dumping the air out of the tanks every 2 hours to release any moisture that's going to build up inside your tank. Here's the valve that will dump all the air, off, on. Second recommendation, fuel. Try to make sure that you're always using fresh fuel. If you know that you're not going to use it for a couple of months, it's going to go sit in the back of the shed for a while, drain the tank. Third recommendation, if you're on hill country, try to make sure to get it on an even surface, because if the compressor does lean to one side, it does have oil sensors, so if the oil goes to one side, it'll actually cut out and stop working. And there you have it team, thanks for watching this overview video on the Delfast Farmblazer 10.